If you've ever been scrolling online and seen those amazing glossy creations and thought, oh my gosh, I wish I could make that, well, you are in the perfect place. Okay, let's get right into it. I'm gonna walk you through everything you need to know to get started on what's about to be your new favorite hobby. We'll look at what you can make, what stuff you'll need, and exactly how to do it. Let's get creating. First up, let's get that inspiration flowing. You know, there are so many things you can make with resin, but we're gonna start with a few projects that are super perfect for beginners because they're small, quick, and you get these amazing results like right away. Okay, just imagine making your own awesome coasters. You can totally make them match your room with cool swirls of color or, and this is so cool, you can trap pretty dried flowers inside them forever. It's like having a little piece of art that you can actually use. Or what about making totally one-of-a-kind earrings and pendants? These use a teeny tiny amount of resin, so they are perfect for practicing. You can add in little charms, or my personal fave, these delicate flecks of gold leaf for that extra bit of glam. And you can make the cutest personalized keychains for you and all your besties. You can find alphabet molds pretty much everywhere, and you just fill them with your favorite glitter to make a statement piece for your backpack or your keys. So cute. And for something a little bigger, how about a shimmering little dish to hold all your favorite rings and stuff? These are so fun because you can practice cool two-tone color effects or use shimmery mica powders to get this gorgeous pearly finish. Okay, so you're totally inspired now, right? You're probably thinking, so what do I actually need to get started? Let's talk about putting together your creator's toolkits. And don't worry, it is not as complicated as it sounds. The star of the show, obviously, is the resin itself. It usually comes in a kit with 2 different bottles, and when you mix them together, this chemical reaction starts that takes them from being a liquid to a solid, super glossy plastic. It is basically science magic. So here are the absolute must-haves for your toolkit. You're gonna need your 2-part resin kit and some important safety gear like, for real, do not skip the gloves and glasses. Then you'll need some silicone molds in whatever shapes you think are cute, plus some mixing cups and sticks. And of course, the best part, all the fun stuff like glitter, colors, and flowers. All right, you got your stuff, you're feeling inspired, so now it is time for the absolute best part, actually making something. Let's walk through the magic step by step. Okay, let's get mixing. First things first, make sure you protect your table or desk. Then you gotta be really precise. Carefully measure equal parts of the resin and the hardener. If you mess this part up, your piece might stay bendy or sticky. Now for the most important step, mixing. Stir slowly and steadily for at least 3 minutes, and make sure you scrape the sides and the bottom of the cup. If any part isn't mixed, it'll stay gooey forever, and nobody wants that. So after you mix and pour, you'll see these tiny little air bubbles rise up. Getting rid of them is the secret to getting that crystal clear, pro-looking finish. Otherwise, they get trapped and kind of cloud up your masterpiece. Zapping them with a quick wave of a heat gun is so satisfying to watch. Pop, pop, pop! So once your resin is all mixed and bubble-free, it is time for the super fun part. Go ahead and stir in your colors or glitter, and then carefully pour that amazing mixture right into your mold. Now comes the hard part. You just have to wait. Just find a safe spot where dust won't get on it and let it work its magic. Okay, this next bit definitely takes a little bit of patience, but trust me, the payoff is so worth it. Trying not to poke it every 5 minutes is probably the hardest part of this whole thing. Your creation needs about 24 hours to fully cure. That's because that science magic is a chemical reaction, and it needs time to finish what it's doing. It might feel hard after just a few hours, but leaving it for the whole day makes sure it gets perfectly strong, durable, and super glossy. This is the best moment. After 24 hours, it is time for the grand reveal. You get to gently peel the flexible silicone mold away from your piece, which is now completely hard. It's just so satisfying to see your finished creation pop out. So sometimes the edges where the resin was at the top of the mold can be a little sharp. It's no biggie. If that happens, you can just give them a quick, gentle sand with some fine sandpaper to make your creation absolutely perfect and smooth. Easy peasy. And that is it. You did it. You now have the secret formula and all the steps you need to create literally anything you can imagine with resin. From jewelry to coasters to keychains, your creative journey is just getting started. So the only thing left to ask is, what are you going to bring to life with your new creative superpowers? Are you thinking something glittery and pink? Or maybe cool and celestial with dark blues and silver flakes? The choice is all yours. Happy crafting!